Hello my friends, today I will show you how to use your computer remotely from your home. I know this situation is very bad for the moment. Coronavirus is spreading everywhere, so you need to make your work from home. Today I will show you how to use TeamViewer on easy tutorial, easy steps. So first of all, what you need to do? You need to install TeamViewer on your desktop. Search for TeamViewer first. Search for TeamViewer. It's free application. You don't have to pay for the moment. But if you use too long and when TeamViewer understand you are using too much TeamViewer for work and they will ask you for pay. And here it is. TeamViewer is trying to download. Okay, just keep it anyway. Click on TeamViewer or open up the folder. Double click on the TeamViewer icon. Okay, here is very important to follow me carefully. So how do you want to proceed? Default installation is okay. And how do you want to use TeamViewer? Company or commercial use? And you choose personal. Don't forget that, personal, non-commercial use. But if you want to buy TeamViewer, you use it as a company. Here you can choose the first one, but for free, use personal and click accept. I have now the TeamViewer installed. Okay, here it is. TeamViewer is located here on the notification area. Okay, so here is my ID and here is my personal password. So how it works? If you want somebody else to come in on your computer right now, you can give this ID to somebody else. With this ID, you are allowing guests to come in your computer. And here is the password. So don't worry about that, because the password is random. Every time you restart the computer, this password change. Okay, I will show you how to install now TeamViewer on your work. So I'm using AnyDesk here, and I will log in my work computer. So here is my workstation. What I have to do now, I have to install TeamViewer on the remote computer. TeamViewer, okay? So download the TeamViewer. I'm downloading TeamViewer on the host computer. Okay. Accept all cookies. Here it is. So don't forget to use personal, non-commercial use, and use default installation. Click accept. Okay. As you see, at the work computer, I have TeamViewer installed. So TeamViewer is giving me now the ID and the password. So with this ID and with this password, I can access my work computer. So let's copy this ID. We need to have it. Here is the ID. In your work computer, do not use this random password, because every time you log out or every time when internet disconnected from your work computer, this password will be changed because it's dynamic password. What you need is to have a static password on your work computer. Just go to extras here, go to options, and here I suggest you start TeamViewer with Windows, and when you click that option, it automatically gives you an opportunity to put the static password. So let's put a static password. Let's put test 2020. Okay, this is the static password. I want to use it for my work computer. And click OK. Congratulations. Click OK. So now the TeamViewer should be here all time, and we have unattended access. So here we are. We have a static password right now. Okay, guys? But if you don't want to set a static password, you use this one. Is for your friends. They just have to give you this password for this time, and that's it. And you can get access. So now we have a client. So let's say this is a work computer. So here is my personal TeamViewer. So to control remote computer, you need to paste the ID. Copy and paste it here. So if you want just file transfer, you can use file transfer. But if you want remote control, full remote control, click here and click connect. Now TeamViewer is asking for authentication. So I will paste here the password and just paste it and log on. Here we are. I can work from home now in my work computer. So thank you guys for watching. This is how TeamViewer works.